So I'm back in Chiang Mai now. Me and Fernando came back from Pai through that mountain pass. I don't recommend it to your average traveler. I recommend it to people who are down for an adventure because the loops are extremely tight. There's like hundreds of them.
Pull that shit up, Jamie.
There's big trucks, debris all over the road, landslides, cow shit in the road. If you're not looking for 1 second, you'll fuck yourself up. Some people drive so fast on it, like I probably did. The ride back was way more chill. One reason being that I didn't crash. It was sunny out. I hope it comes through in the footage. It's just like stunning, these vistas. You're literally riding this loopy trail on like the top ridge of a mountain. You can just see all the mountains surrounding you. Now I am getting my bike repaired at the Honda dealership. It's gonna be like 5 times cheaper than simply returning it to the rental shop.
Yeah.
We can screw lock, okay?
Yeah.
Screw na?
Yeah, that's
Screw
fine.
lock this one, okay?
The way the motorbike dealership gave me the bike, the part that I broke was already broken because if you remove the plastic piece that broke off, there was already like some jerry-rig like zip tie that was holding it in place. So like the mechanics are just laughing about it, telling me like it was already fucked up. I'm thinking we're back, baby. Guess the total price, 1,200 baht. That's about $31. You just think about like there were 3 Thai guys working on it for like over an hour, and that's what it comes to. So, very happy. Gotta love it.